Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We're dealing with a scenario where we have a data structure of customers assigned to various groups using a junction table. The goal is to retrieve customers who are part of specific groups based on certain criteria, such as customers in group 5 or 6 and 1 or 3. The initial approach using where clause alone doesn't quite cut it, so we need an alternative solution. The solution to our problem involves utilizing a group by clause and a having clause. By structuring our query in a way that counts the occurrences of group IDs meeting the specified conditions, we can effectively filter out the desired customers. The provided SQL code showcases this method by grouping customers by their IDs and applying conditions based on the group IDs they are associated with. This approach allows us to accurately identify and retrieve customers who fulfill the given group criteria. Building upon the previous solution, we can further optimize our query by utilizing the filter function, provided your database system supports it. This alternative method streamlines the query by directly filtering the counts based on the specified group IDs without the need for additional join statements. This more efficient approach enhances the performance of the query, especially when dealing with larger datasets or complex group criteria. Expanding on the previous insights, we can also enhance the query performance by directly querying the customers _to_ groups table without involving the customers table if customer details are not required in the output. Removing the unnecessary table join further boosts the query efficiency, making it more streamlined and focused on retrieving customer IDs based on the specified group criteria. In summary, we've explored multiple approaches to efficiently retrieve customers based on specific group criteria in a junction table scenario. By utilizing group by, having, and filter clauses effectively, we've outlined optimized solutions that enhance query performance and accuracy. So there you have it. Hope you found this information helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.